Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners. Today, we will talk about the benefits of reading books.
Hi. Yes, reading books is very good for us.
That's right. Books help us learn new words.
And books make our imagination strong.
I agree. Reading is also a great way to relax.
Yes, when I read, I feel calm and happy.
So, friends, try to read a little every day. It will help your English and your mind.
Do you know? Reading books is also good for our memory.
Really? How does it help memory?
When we read, we try to remember the story and the characters. This makes our memory stronger.
Oh, I see. So reading is like exercise for the brain.
Exactly. Just like sports make the body strong, books make the brain strong.
That is very interesting. I think I should read more often.
Yes, even 10 minutes every day can help a lot.
That sounds easy. I will start today.
Reading books also helps us to focus.
Focus? What do you mean?
When we read, we give attention to one thing. This makes our concentration better.
Ah, I understand. So reading helps us to stay focused in life too.
Yes, that's right. It is very useful for study and for work.
That's a great benefit. Reading is good for our mind, memory, and focus.
Exactly. Books are our best friends.
I agree. Let's read more and enjoy learning. Do you know another benefit of reading?
What is it?
Reading can also reduce stress.
Reduce stress? How?
When we read, our mind goes into the story. We forget our problems for a while.
Ah, like a short holiday for the brain.
Exactly. Reading makes us feel relaxed and peaceful.
That's wonderful. So books are not only for learning, but also for happiness.
Yes, books give us both knowledge and peace of mind. Reading also helps us to improve our writing.
Improve writing? How does that work?
When we read, we see many good sentences. We learn how words fit together.
Oh, so by reading, we get ideas for writing better.
Yes, exactly. The more we read, the easier it is to write.
That is very useful for students and for work.
Right. Reading makes both speaking and writing stronger.
So one activity, reading, gives us many skills.
Reading books also gives us more knowledge about the world.
Really? How?
When we read stories or articles, we learn about different places, people, and cultures.
Ah, so books can take us to new countries without traveling.
Yes, that's true. Books are like windows to the world.
That's exciting. We can travel with our mind.
Exactly. Reading helps us understand others better.
So books make us smarter and kinder at the same time.
Another benefit of reading is that it can make us more creative.
Creative? In what way?
When we read stories, we imagine characters, places, and events. This makes our imagination stronger.
Oh, I see. So reading helps us think of new ideas.
Yes, writers, artists, and inventors all read a lot to get inspiration.
That's interesting. Even simple stories can give big ideas.
Exactly. Every book has something to teach or inspire us.
So friends, read books not only to learn, but also to think creatively.
Now, let's talk about the kinds of books beginners can read.
Yes, what kind of books are good for beginners?
Short stories, simple novels, and picture books are great.
Picture books? I thought they are only for children.
Not really. They have simple words and interesting pictures. They help beginners understand stories easily.
That sounds helpful. And short stories are easy too, right?
Yes, short stories are quick to read and full of useful words.
I like that. So beginners can enjoy reading without feeling tired.
Exactly. The key is to read a little every day. Let's talk about how to make reading a habit.
Yes, I want to read more, but sometimes I forget.
Start small. Read 5 to 10 minutes every day.
That sounds easy. Even 5 minutes is enough?
Yes. Little by little, it becomes a habit.
And then I can read longer stories or novels?
Exactly. The important thing is consistency, not speed.
I understand. Reading every day is better than reading a lot once in a while.
Right. And choose books you enjoy. It will be fun, not a task.
I will try that. I think I will start with a short story today.
Here are some fun tips to enjoy reading more.
Great! What tips do you have?
First, read books you like. If you like adventure, read adventure stories.
That makes sense. I like funny stories, so I will start with them.
Second, read with a friend. You can share stories and talk about them.
Oh, that sounds fun. We can discuss characters and ideas.
Third, make reading part of your daily routine. For example, read before bed or after breakfast.
I like that idea. It will become natural, like brushing teeth.
Exactly. Little habits make a big difference over time.
Friends, follow these tips and reading will be easy and fun.
So today, we learned many ways reading books can help us.
Yes, reading improves vocabulary, imagination, memory, focus, creativity, and even reduces stress.
And we also shared tips to enjoy reading and make it a daily habit.
Friends, start with small steps. Read a little every day, choose books you like, and have fun.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
See you next time with more tips to improve your English. Bye-bye!